Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will enable virtualization and prepare resources first so the VM runs smoothly. Start by enabling Intel VTX or AMD in BIOS. Without it, performance suffers. Next, download VirtualBox or VMware and grab a Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft. Create a new VM and choose Windows 10 x64. Allocate at least 4 GB RAM, 2 CPU cores, and a 40 GB virtual disk. Once these items are set, you're ready to begin the installation process. You boot the VM from the attached ISO and follow the Windows installer prompts. Choose language and create a primary partition on the virtual disk. Make sure to select the recommended file system and proceed with a clean install. This prevents driver conflicts. After the first boot, install guest editions or VMware tools to get proper display resolution, mouse integration, and shared clipboard. Also, configure snapshots and an automatic backup policy. These protect you before changing system settings or testing software. You finish by updating Windows, installing drivers, and setting a system restore point so you can recover quickly. Make sure to enable 3D acceleration and increase video RAM in VM settings if graphics are slow, and choose bridged or NAT networking depending on access needs. If something goes wrong, verify the ISO checksum and confirm virtualization is enabled in BIOS. If the VM becomes unbootable, revert to a snapshot or detach non-essential devices. That often resolves correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.